Today you are about to learn step by step my secret strategy to turn any e-commerce product from this into this or even this.
Frozine chocolate and cherry swirl protein ice cream is the perfect post-workout sweet treat.
The video that you just watched was completely made using only AI. In recent times, brands are paying users anywhere from $100 to thousands of dollars for a single UGC video. But today, everything is different. You can now use Picsart Flow and do this in minutes. So my name is Haik, and let's jump in together and start creating. The first stage is to create a logo for my brand. I'm thinking of creating a protein-based ice cream brand called Frozine. So in Picsart Flow, I'll create a new image node. Then open up the prompt box and copy and paste this exact prompt, which is a detailed description of my brand's logo. From the AI models, I'll select Recraft Form because it is great for graphics and design. Then for the aspect ratio, let's go with the classic 4:3. As you can see, it will cost us only 2 credits. So let's hit the pink run button and wait for our logo to get cooked. And boom, we just now have our logo for our product. It matches my expectations and I have nothing to change about it. Let's move on to stage number 2. Now let's go ahead and generate some ice cream products with our logo. I want to create a crunchy ice cream bar with our brand logo. So in the prompt box, I'm going to write this. Now I'm switching the AI model from Recraft to Nano Banana Pro, as it's one of the best to generate realistic images. So let's run it and wait. It looks really delicious. And in a minute, I got my first product. I have another idea in mind. Let's generate a pint version of our product. Generate a premium plastic ice cream pint packaging for a chocolate cherry ice cream. The logo is printed on the purple side of the pint. After you're happy with your prompt, just hit the run button. And just like that, we now have our second product design to work with to create some UGC content. You can do this as many times as you want, or you can just upload as many products as your brand has. Stage number 3. At this point, you can either upload some images of real creators that you have on hand, or you can directly generate an ultra-realistic one using Picsart Flow. Let's do a little bit of both and create 3 different images using the original one as a reference. I'm going to drop a photo of this creator into our workflow. Using this creator image that I have, I'm going to create 3 connected image nodes. For the first one, I want him to be at the gym as post-workout since the product is protein-based. For the second one, let's make him have street-style vibes on a street in New York City. And lastly, for the third image, let's just have him sitting in his kitchen with a filming setup. So these are the prompts that I used for each image. Great, we now have 3 images of our creator and I'm happy with them. The fourth stage is to create some images where our creator interacts with our product. Let's start with our gym scene. First, I'm going to create a new image node and connect it to our creator. Then I'll connect the ice cream sandwich bar image to the new image node too. For the prompt, I'll write this. Full body shot neutral pose for the model. Preserve facial features and clothing and accessories, but add a gray heather zip-up hoodie and short black gym shorts. I'll adjust the settings and hit run. The image node now will reference this creator image and the ice cream bar. And now we have a shot of our creator eating some ice cream at the gym. Wouldn't that be illegal? Let's do the same for the other 2 scenes and create new images of our creator interacting with our product. Looking good so far. And finally, our last stage is to actually create UGC videos based on all of our imagery. The best part here is that if you have no idea of writing a script, don't think about it. Picsart Flow has capabilities with Claude, which is great for automating scripts and directions for all of your creative needs. So all you need to do is right-click and create a new text node. I'll choose Claude from the menu and write this in the prompt box. A scene-by-scene script and video direction for an 8-second UGC video where the creator is filming day in the life of style video, working out at the gym, and ending with him sitting on the gym bench with his duffel bag in between his legs. In the duffel bag is a pint of frozen chocolate and cherry swirl ice cream, in which he takes out and eats a big scoop with a spoon. In less than 30 seconds, you'll have a full detailed breakdown of the audio, video, and script for your UGC video. Look at this. Claude came up with a scene-by-scene direction for everything: audio, visuals, background, and actions. I'll create a scene-by-scene video direction for the other two. Great! Now that we have our products, our creators, our scripts, let's finally start generating some attention-grabbing UGC videos. I'm creating a new video node next to the first scene, then connecting the product image and the creator image with the product to it. Then copy and paste the scene-by-scene text into the video prompt. We have a wide selection of video generation models for different situations, but for now I'll select VO 3.1. Adjust the aspect ratio and the quality. The duration should be 8 seconds. Turn on the audio, and we're ready to hit run. The video node now will reference everything we just connected to it and create an amazing UGC video. Let's go ahead and render for the other two. They all are ready. Let's watch them together.
Frozen chocolate and cherry swirl protein ice cream. This is what I trained for. Try this.
I'm buying more of these.
Frozen chocolate and cherry swirl protein ice cream is the perfect post-workout sweet treat.
Isn't this cool? All of them turned out realistic and fun. I'm sure we can sell our products with these videos. So you see, all this is done in less than half an hour using Picsart Flow and our imagination. So as always, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to drop a like, leave a comment, and subscribe for upcoming videos. I'm Hike, and I'll see you next time.